How to set face unlock on your Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, you'll have to do first is go to settings. In settings, go to password and security. In password and security and password and biometric section, you can see here the face unlock. Okay, to set this face unlock, okay, you'll have to do stop this. But first, you can set the lock screen password. But I have no lock screen password. Okay, you'll have to do is stop the set lock screen password button below. And now you can set, for my example, I set into numeric password. Enter 4 to 16 digit numeric password. So for my example, 1, 2, 3, 4. And after that, tap the next button and re-enter the password. And after that, tap confirm button. And also you can set the lock screen notification. So for my example, I set into show notification but hide content. And after that, tap the done button below. And now you can enroll the face unlock, or you can set the face unlock here. So you can see the enroll face button here. You can tap this. And how to set up a facial data. So first, make sure that the recording environment is well lit and free of direct sunlight. The camera is clean and your face is not covered. Then face the screen and keep your entire face within the recognition area. And after that, tap the start button below. And okay, so please keep your face still within the frame until enrollment is complete. Okay, and after that, okay, you can see the setting here. So you can set the unlock directly or stay on lock screen. So okay guys, I set into unlock directly. And after that, tap the done button below. And okay, that's it. We have successfully set the face unlock on Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. So okay, we can try it. And that's it. Okay, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.